daily dose of fun.
Your daily dose of fun. Big and Brad, PodCat English, PodCat English.
Hey everyone, welcome back to PodCat English, the show where we make English feel less like homework and more like dinner with friends. I'm Tekir.
And I'm Luna, and today's topic is actually making me hungry just thinking about it.
Right? Because today we're talking about restaurant English, how to walk into any restaurant, anywhere in the world, and order like you belong there. No freezing, no panic menu staring, no pointing at random things and hoping for the best.
We've all been there, Tekir.
Oh, I have a story. Don't worry, I'll tell it later. But first, quick question for you watching right now. Have you ever been at a restaurant and the waiter asked you something and you just said yes, even though you had no idea what they asked?
If that's you, perfect. You're in exactly the right place. Stay with us. This episode will change your restaurant life forever.
Let's go. Okay, Luna. So why is restaurant English so hard? Like, you're just ordering food, but somehow it feels like a final exam.
It does. And I think there are three main reasons. First, speed. Waiters talk fast, and they ask multiple questions at once.
Dine in or take out, and would you like the combo, and what size, and do you want fries with that? All in one breath.
Exactly. Second, the vocabulary. Au jus, on the side, well done, rare. These words don't translate easily.
In Turkey, we just say, iyi pişmiş, well done, and everyone understands. Simple. Here, I had to learn that medium rare means pink in the middle, and that's okay?
It is actually, and it's delicious. But yes, it's a lot of new words. And the third reason, the pressure. There are people behind you waiting. The waiter is looking at you. You feel like you have to answer right now.
And that's when your English just gone.
But here's the thing. Waiters deal with tourists and non-native speakers every single day. They are patient. They want to help you. You just need a few key phrases, and suddenly you're in control.
And we have those phrases coming right up. But first, real quick, as we say in Turkey, her şeyin bir sırası var. There's a right order for everything. And the right order for a restaurant visit, it goes, you sit, you get the menu, you order drinks, you order food, you eat, you ask for the bill, you pay, you leave a happy person.
Perfect breakdown. And at each one of those steps, there are phrases you need. Let's teach them all. Okay, let's go step by step. You've just sat down and the waiter comes over. What do they say? Usually something like, "Hi, can I start you off with something to drink?" Or, "Are you ready to order?"
And your job? Don't panic, you have options.
If you need a minute, say, "Could we have a few more minutes, please?" Or simply, "I'm not quite ready yet, thank you." Perfectly polite, zero pressure.
If you are ready, great. Here's how you order. I'll have the pasta, please. Can I get the chicken sandwich? I'd like the soup to start and then the steak.
Notice all of those start with "I'll have," "Can I get," or "I'd like." All three are equally correct and sound very natural.
Now here's a key one. When they ask how you want your steak cooked, there are 5 levels. Luna, hit it.
Rare, very red inside. Medium rare, mostly red, a little pink. Medium, pink in the middle. Medium well, just a little pink. Well done, fully cooked through, no pink.
And if you don't eat meat, easy. Do you have any vegetarian options? I'm allergic to nuts. Can you check the ingredients, please? Does this contain gluten?
Allergy phrases are so important. Always ask if you're unsure. Restaurants take this seriously.
Now, the bill, the moment of truth.
To ask for the bill, "Could we have the check, please?" American English. "Could we have the bill, please?" British English. Both are fine. And to pay separately, "Could we split the bill? Can I pay for mine separately?"
And if everything was great, leave a nice tip and say, "It was delicious. Thank you so much." Instant happiness for everyone.
Okay, time to practice. Tekir and I are going to role play a full restaurant visit. Tekir, you're the customer and the waiter. Think you can handle it?
I can handle it. I've worked in a restaurant, actually, for 3 days, in my uncle's restaurant. I quit because I kept eating the customer's food.
Perfect experience. Let's go.
Good evening. Welcome to Casa PodCat. My name is Marco. I'll be your server tonight. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes. Could we have some water to start, please? Still water, not sparkling.
Great. Still means without bubbles. Sparkling has bubbles. Always useful.
Of course. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
Actually, could we have a few more minutes, please? The menu is wonderful.
Take your time. I'll be right back. Ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled salmon, please. And could I get the salad on the side instead of the soup?
On the side means served separately, not mixed in. Very useful phrase.
Absolutely. And how would you like your salmon? We can do it lightly cooked or fully cooked through.
Fully cooked, please. And one more thing. I'm allergic to dairy. Does the sauce contain any cream?
Great question. Let me check with the kitchen for you.
Perfect. You just had a full, confident restaurant conversation in English. Did you see how natural that was?
And I only slightly panicked when I forgot the word sparkling. Means slowly, slowly. You get better each time. Okay, phone-in time. We got some great questions from the community this week. Luna, first one.
This one is from Camila from Argentina. She asks, what do I say if I don't understand the daily special? The waiter always talks so fast.
Oh, Camilla, I feel you so much.
Camila, the magic phrase is, I'm sorry, could you describe that for me? Or even simpler, what comes with it? Waiters love explaining the food. It's their job, and they're proud of it. Ask away.
Next question. This one is from @Kareem from Morocco. Is it rude to send food back if it's wrong?
Not at all, Kareem. In most English-speaking countries, it is completely normal and expected. You simply say, excuse me, I think there's been a mix-up. I ordered the chicken, not the beef. Polite, clear, done.
No drama needed. Unlike what I did once, I just ate the wrong dish because I was too scared to say anything. I hate mushrooms, by the way. That was a terrible evening.
Don't feel like Tekir, everyone. Use your words.
Last question from @Sona from Armenia. How do I ask for more time without feeling rude?
Sona, just smile and say, could we have a moment? Or we're not quite ready. Thank you for your patience. That last part, thanking them for their patience, makes it extra polite, and they will love you for it.
Okay, it's my favorite part of the show, community shout-out time. Last episode's challenge was make one phone call in English this week. And you guys, you delivered. Let's celebrate our top 5.
Number 1, @Dima from Ukraine. Dima called a dentist's office in English to book an appointment. He said, and I love this, my heart was beating so fast, but I did it, and the receptionist was so kind. Dima, we are so proud of you.
Number 2, @Noor from Egypt. Noor called a hotel to ask about their check-in time. She even asked them to repeat a word she didn't understand, which is exactly what we taught last episode. Noor, you're a star.
Number 3, @Tomasz from Poland. Tomasz called a pizza delivery place. He said it was the most delicious pizza he ever had, not because of the toppings, but because he ordered it himself in English. Tomasz, that's the spirit.
Number 4, @Yuki from Japan. Yuki called a customer service line for her internet provider. She had to be put on hold 3 times, and she stayed on the line every time. That is patience and courage. Yuki, amazing.
And number 5, @Isabel from Spain. Isabel called a vet to book an appointment for her cat. She even asked for the price and understood the answer. She says her cat was unimpressed, but we are very impressed. Isabel, wonderful work.
Everyone, give these legends a virtual round of applause. Okay, this week's challenge, and it fits perfectly with today's topic.
This week, we want you to order something in English. It doesn't have to be a fancy restaurant, a coffee shop, a fast food place, a food truck. Anywhere counts.
And when you do, tell us. Write in the comments 1. Where did you go? 2. What did you order? 3. How did it feel?
The best 5 stories will be featured right here on PodCat English in episode 4, with your name on screen.
Bonus points if something funny happened. Trust me, something always happens.
And that's a wrap on episode 3 of PodCat English. You now have everything you need to walk into any restaurant and order with confidence.
Remember, waiters are now judges. They just want to bring you food, and you just want to eat food. Everyone wins.
If this episode helped you, hit that like button. It truly helps us reach more learners just like you.
Subscribe so you never miss an episode. We drop new ones every Monday and Thursday. And leave us a comment. We read every single one.
Until next time, remember our motto.
Listen,
Laugh.
learn,
I'm Luna.
and I'm Tekir.
See you next time. Bye.